A beautiful day here in Florida, as you can see. So we thought we'd take the opportunity to show you around Nettles Island a bit.
We want to show you guys our property here and the island and the amenities here, because when we are not here, this property is actually going to be for rent, so you could come stay here. Nettles Island also has a lot of houses to rent, so we're going to show you guys around, and if you're interested, go to nettlesislandrentals.com to check them out.
Nettles Island is located in southeastern Florida near the towns of Port St. Lucie and Stuart, Florida. Our spot is lot 279.
First, we're going to start out showing you guys our lot. It's behind us here. It's this little pie-shaped piece of land. We have a little tiny piece of yard here with 9 cute little palm trees on them. We like the lot because it faces south in that direction, so the RV provides shade onto the main seating area out here, but then we can come out into the lawn and have a little bit of sun if we want that as well. All the lots on Nettles Island have these convenient little hidden trash cans. They're actually buried in the ground and they pick up the trash twice a week. On this side of our lot, we actually share it with a pathway that heads over to the recreation area that we'll show you guys in a bit. Down here, we've got full hookups. We have sewer, 50 or 30 amp service, and a 20 amp receptacle in here as well. It's kind of tied up to our neighbor here, but these guys own this lot and they're really nice. Basically, it's like an RV spot that you'd have at a campground, except all the lots here are private. Nettles Island used to be a campground back a long time ago, but over the years, all the lots got sold off and the entire island is private, but a lot of people rent out their sites, so you can still come and stay here. Another thing we like about this lot is that it has a bathhouse right across the street, right over there. Because this was a campground at one point, it still has bathhouses all across the entire island that are easy to access. And if you come stay here, you'll get these tags that get you into the bathhouses and also get you into all of the facilities on the island. The bathhouses are nothing too special, but they're still nice to have if you've got guests or other people staying with you and you need extra bathrooms, or if you just don't want to use the bathroom in your own RV.
So one of the things that we love most about our spot is that it's a very short walk to the clubhouse. Let's go. All right, so this is the main recreation area. There's a banquet hall upstairs, there's a gym in there, there's breakfast that's served every morning. But first, let's go check out the pool. So this is the pool at the main clubhouse on Nettles. This is one of Nettles' 2 pools. The second one we'll show you later. But this one here is attached to the building where there's locker rooms and restrooms inside. And as you can see, today is a beautiful day. Midday, it can get a little busy, but we went swimming earlier today and we had the whole pool to ourselves. So very nice pool. It's heated, usually around 86 degrees. And over on the far side, there's 2 hot tubs, one that is 102 degrees and one that is 104 degrees. So you can have your pick depending on what you want, how hot you want it to be. So situated around the pool and in this main recreational area, we've got lots of activities. There's shuffleboard, there's tennis, there's pickleball, there's horseshoes, there's bocce ball, and they hold a lot of events here out on the lawn, out in front of the water. So Nettles Island is an island, and as you can see, this is the main canal that goes out from the recreational area. A lot of the properties here do have waterfront. There are a number of canals that come into the island as well. So a lot of these lots and houses do have docks and access to the water. So we're about to go into the clubhouse now from like the side entrance, and out here there's a bunch of mailboxes for the residents who live here, as well as a library where you can check out books while you're here. So we just walked through the Nettles Island Cafe, where they have breakfast every single day and lunch. They're closed right now, but when it's closed, it's also used as a multi-purpose area where people can get together and use the tables. Here is a bulletin board with all of the different groups that are here at Nettles Island and all kinds of things that you can participate in while you're here. In this area of the clubhouse, there is a gym that has quite a few machines and exercise equipment that you can use and check out. At this desk, you also check out all of the equipment that you need to do any of the activities outside. So that's the main recreation area. Now we are gonna go hop on our bikes and go to the beach, which is only it's less than a mile to bike to the beach and see the other pool here at Nettles. So biking is one of our favorite ways to get around out here. Obviously, traffic is pretty light and it's pretty slow. Most people ride around in golf carts or bikes. And this place is pretty cool because you can basically have, you know, a $500,000 house right next to an RV lot and everything in between. So pretty much anything goes and all are welcome, and we're all just here to have a good time. So we're all packed up and ready to go to the beach. It's only about 0.9 miles, so let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, there's also a mini putt-putt. So right here there is a Nettles Island Marina, not associated with the condo complex, but it's got a little grocery in here, a restaurant, and a couple of little shops that you can go to. And then on the other side of the road here is kind of the community dog park, where you'll see dogs walking all the time. And then the bridge to get onto and off of the island, Nettles Island, there's usually fishermen there all the time fishing. So the interesting thing is once you leave Nettles Island, you're actually not on the mainland, you're on another island, Hutchinson Island. So Nettles Island is an island on an island, off of an island. Nettles Island is a gated community, so you have to have your pass or a visitor's pass to get in, and then you have to have badges to go to and use any of the amenities. So it's a pretty safe place too. To get to the Nettles Island beach pool and beach access, you do have to cross the road, but there is a light here. It's like the only light on Hutchinson Island, and it is specifically for this. And voila! It is like the most responsive crosswalk button in the world. We are entering the private Nettles Island beach access, and it's busy today. Not surprised. So it's an easy bike ride, but it's also an easy walk. We've walked down here many times, and we've brought our dogs. Since this is an unguarded beach, dogs are allowed. And one of the best things about Nettles is here at the beach house, they have a dog wash station, so that after the dogs get all sandy and salty and wet, we can easily wash them off here before going back home. And here we are, the Nettles private beach access. Not too shabby, hey? And then there's the beach pool. So we've been spending a lot of time down here for obvious reasons. Over here we also have like a cafe that is sometimes open where you can get, you know, lunch or snacks while you're down here at the beach or at the pool. There's restrooms and showers, nice hot showers. So when you're done in the pool or in the ocean and you're feeling a little cold, you can warm up there, rinse off. Overall, really great. Makes going into the ocean not so cold because you know you can warm up right here.
All right, everyone, that's where we're gonna leave off. We are gonna hang out here on the beach for a while. If you're interested in renting our lot, we are lot 279, and we're gonna be managing the rental ourselves for a while. It may be available on Nettles Island Rentals at some point.
So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the description below. Also, if you have anything else you guys want us to make a video of, please leave that below.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.